In this lesson, we will understand the memory component of LangChain. Let us see. As the name suggests, the memory refers to the ability to store and retrieve context across interactions. So the system remembers previous inputs, outputs, or other relevant information. So there are two types of memory, short-term and long-term. As the name suggests, if the context is stored for the duration of a single interaction or session, it is called short-term memory. Like remembering only the previous question of a user in a chatbot so that the flow of the conversation is easily maintained. Then comes your long-term memory. It stores context or data across multiple sessions or interactions, like saving the historical data of what a user types in a chatbot so that personalized responses can be generated. This also helps in saving user preferences. Why is memory important? It easily allows multiple interactions so that the system can reference previous inputs or outputs. This eases the work in providing more relevant and accurate responses. If you are building conversational agents, personal virtual assistants, then memory is really important. So guys, we saw what is the memory component of LangChain. We also saw the types.